Kia ora everyone. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. Kia ora. I'm Timiho, or Dallas to some. And I was fortunate enough to be asked to renew our whare here, or just this part. Because I and many of you and those of us here descend from Rotohiko Haupapa. So Rotohiko Haupapa, if you haven't been taught already, is important to the school because he helped with the opening of the school way back in a very long time ago. And so this hall was made to acknowledge that particular tupuna. You might have seen not long ago there were some old carvings on here. They were starting to get rotten. They were starting to fall apart slowly, and so the kura decided to, and we decided that it was best to take them off altogether and get some new artwork to represent koro here. So Rotohiko Haupapa is my great grandfather. Okay? So I was very fortunate, thank you to Whai Kath, as well as my cousin Anahira next door, flicking me a message to be a part of this kaupapa, and we got it done. It's up here and it's beautiful. So very simply, the face, I'll explain how a wharenui goes actually. So at a wharenui we all belong to a marae, right? Most of us. Yeah, we all know what a marae is. So when you go to your wharenui, the next time you go to your wharenui, have a look, you'll see at the middle point up there, so sometimes there's a tiko on top, sometimes there isn't. The middle point there is called a parata. The parata is the face of the tupuna. Yep. So if you're from Tunohopu, the face will be Tunohopu. If you're from Te Roro Terangi, the face will be Te Roro Terangi. Yep. These parts here are called maihi. A whare is pretty much a tupuna standing like this, welcoming his uri and any manuhiri coming into the whare. So with that being said, the carved face there is Rotohiko Haupapa, because that's the name of the house, that's the tupuna. The arms on this whare represent you and me. Yeah. His uri, his descendants, and the tamariki that attend the school. Rotohiko, as mentioned earlier, spent a lot of time putting energy and effort into getting the school up and going, and so it was only right that in his arms are the tamariki that he has looked after over the years, and that he will continue to look after the two maunga of this tupuna, and very much like they are right now, looking towards each other. And as you walk through the doors, these here will look after you, much like our maunga look after us. Very simple Whakamarama, and it's just so that we can easily pass that kōrero on for generations and generations. Tapai, so again, Rotohiko Haupapa, all of our tamariki, all of our mokopuna that have come and will come through the school, as well as his uri, biological uri, and then our two maunga, Wongotaha and Pukeroa. Pukeroa and Wongotaha, which way is that? Yeah, that way. Pukeroa, that one, Wongotaha is that one. Yeah, so it's like that, like how they look together. Kapai? Yeah, and if you don't have it yet, then there'll be a QR code at some point that'll direct you to this kōrero. Koe anō e te whānau, koe anō e ho tāku, e mihi ana, ki ngā kaiako, ki ngā tamariki, kāmatu, kia hokake e noho mai nei, always love seeing you. Thank you very much for that. Mamputara tene, te rāno ngā kōrero. Koe anō e te whānau, e arohanui ana, waia te wāki au, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.